Do you want to learn how to make a crochet heart? Very easy. Let me share with you step by step how you can make this ponytail with a crochet heart on it.
Udi designs, unique expressions.
Using the size hook recommended for the yarn. Let's start by making the magic circle, sometimes called magic ring. An easy way to do the magic ring is by wrapping the yarn this way, making an X, holding the yarn like this, grabbing the hook, put it under this yarn and on top of the other one, and then pull the yarn through, hold it like this, and then you have the magic circle or ring. Now make 2 chains, 1 and 2. Now we're going to do 3 treble crochet. Over the hook twice, put the hook inside the circle, pull the yarn through. Now you have a total of 4 loops here. Yarn over, pull your hook through the second loop, yarn over, second loop again, and then you have 2 remaining, and then you pull through the 2 last one. Let's do it again. One time for the second loop, twice on the second loop, and the last 2 loops. Now we're going to do 3 double crochet. Double crochet, you just yarn over once and then put your hook inside the circle. Yarn over on the second loop and then yarn over on the last 2 loops. And we're going to repeat this 2 more times to make 3 double crochet. Okay, so now you have the first half of your heart. 3 treble crochet and 3 double crochet. Now we're going to make 2 chains, and this is what's going to divide the heart. Now we're going to repeat the same but in the opposite direction. You're going to do 3 double crochet and then 3 treble crochet for the other side. Making sure you have the same stitches on both sides. Now it's time to close the ring. Pulling the tail this way to close the ring completely, as tight as you can. Now we're gonna make a slip stitch inside here, pulling the yarn through the stitch to complete a slip stitch. Okay, so now we're gonna cut the yarn and pull it through. Now we completed the heart, and we're going to tie these 2 in the ponytail, just like this. I'm going to make 3 knots to secure it. Using a yarn needle, I'm going to weave the ends. And the way I weave the ends is by just putting the yarn through different directions as much as I can without making it too noticeable. And then I'm going to cut the yarn very close to where I finish my stitches. And I did the same with the other end, and that's it. I did different colors. I was very happy and pleased with the results. I made these for my granddaughter, but to tell you the truth, I like them also for myself. What do you think? How does it look? And keep in mind that if you want to make these hearts bigger, you can use a yarn that is thicker and a hook size bigger. I really hope I'm inspiring you to make this. Please let me know if you have any questions. Until next time, thank you for watching. Goodbye.